Hey, this is 88 HVAC in beautiful Marin County. We just got done installing a Daikin multi-head unit heat pump in a commercial building up in San Rafael. And if you can hear this unit, it's super quiet. Only thing I can hear is the fan blade. So that's it. We got two 1-ton heads down in the offices, and they're cooling the offices down right now. And I'm getting a nice suntan on the roof. It's about 70 something, and it's time to go home. So nice Daikin equipment, very quiet, energy efficient. Remember, this is a heat pump, so it's this is cooling in the summertime and it heats efficiently in the wintertime. All right, thanks a lot.